Today I am reviewing the ACEMAGIC K1 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact yet surprisingly powerful desktop computer, the ACEMAGIC K1 Mini PC is an impressive option that proves big performance can come in a very small package. Designed for home offices, students, business users, and even light media creators, this palm-sized mini computer combines solid AMD processing power, generous memory, and flexible connectivity to deliver a smooth, everyday computing experience. At the heart of the ACEMAGIC K1 Mini PC is the AMD Ryzen 340-300U processor, a capable 7nm Zen 2 chip that delivers excellent efficiency and performance for its size. This processor features 4 cores and 4 threads, with a base clock speed of 2.7 GHz and boost speeds reaching up to 3.7 GHz. Unlike many entry-level mini PCs that rely on lower-powered chips, this system runs the Ryzen processor at a full 28W power configuration, allowing it to deliver stronger performance in real-world workloads. In daily use, that translates into smooth multitasking and responsive performance. You can comfortably run multiple browser tabs, attend video meetings, edit documents, and stream content at the same time without experiencing frustrating slowdowns. For users upgrading from older processors like the Ryzen 330-300U or low-power Intel chips, such as the N150 or N97, the performance difference is noticeable. Tasks load faster, programs respond quicker, and the overall system feels far more capable for modern computing needs. The processor is paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is a generous amount of memory for a mini PC in this class. With 16 GB available, the system can easily handle multitasking scenarios like working with Office applications, running communication tools like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, and keeping numerous browser tabs open simultaneously. It also provides enough headroom for light content creation tasks, such as basic photo editing or casual video work. Storage is handled by 256 GB M.2 SATA SSD, which ensures fast boot times and quick application launches. Compared to traditional hard drives, the solid-state storage significantly improves responsiveness. Windows loads in seconds, software opens quickly, and file transfers feel smooth and efficient. The system also includes expandable storage support with an additional M.2 2280 slot, allowing users to upgrade the total capacity up to 4 TB. This makes the mini PC flexible for users who plan to store large files such as videos, photos, or project archives. One of the standout features of the ACEMAGIC K1 is its multi-display capability. This mini PC supports up to 3 4K displays at 60 Hz simultaneously through its combination of HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB-C with DisplayPort support. This feature transforms the tiny computer into a powerful productivity workstation. Imagine running your main document or spreadsheet on one monitor, research material on another, and communication tools or video calls on a third screen. For professionals who rely on multitasking, this setup can dramatically improve workflow and efficiency. The graphics performance is powered by integrated AMD Radeon graphics, which are capable enough for everyday visual tasks, video playback, and light creative work. Streaming high-resolution video, watching movies, or editing photos feels smooth and enjoyable. While it's not designed as a dedicated gaming machine, it can handle casual and lightweight games comfortably. Cooling is another area where the ACEMAGIC K1 stands out. Mini PCs often struggle with heat management due to their compact size, but this model features an upgraded cooling system with a high-conductivity aluminum heat structure and a quiet 80mm fan. Dual air outlets help maintain stable temperatures during extended workloads, allowing the processor to maintain consistent performance without thermal throttling. The result is a system that remains quiet, cool, and reliable even during long work sessions. Connectivity is excellent for such a small device. The ACEMAGIC K1 includes gigabit Ethernet for fast wired internet, ensuring stable and reliable connections for work calls, downloads, and online collaboration. It also supports modern wireless connectivity, making it easy to connect accessories like wireless keyboards, mice, and headphones. Combined with its multiple display outputs and USB ports, the Mini PC can easily integrate into a full desktop setup. The system arrives pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, which is a major advantage for business users. Windows 11 Pro provides advanced features such as enhanced security, remote desktop capabilities, and improved management tools, making it suitable for professional environments as well as personal use. Because the system comes ready out of the box, setup is simple. Just plug in a monitor, keyboard, and mouse, and you're ready to start working. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of this device is its extremely compact design. Measuring just about 5 inches by 5 inches and only 1.6 inches thick, the ACEMAGIC K1 is smaller than many external hard drives and weighs only around 1.1 pounds. This makes it incredibly versatile. You can mount it behind a monitor, place it neatly on a desk, connect it to a living room TV as a media center, or even carry it in a backpack for portable workstation use. This small footprint makes it ideal for minimalist desk setups, small apartments, dorm rooms, or home offices where space is limited. Despite its tiny size, it still delivers the performance needed for real productivity. Overall, the ACEMAGIC K1 Mini PC is an excellent example of how modern mini computers can replace traditional desktops for many users. It offers a strong AMD Ryzen processor, generous 16 GB RAM, fast SSD storage, triple 4K display support, and quiet cooling, all packed into an incredibly compact chassis. For students, professionals, remote workers, and anyone who wants a space-saving desktop that still delivers reliable everyday performance, this mini PC offers outstanding value. Whether you're building a productive workstation, a compact home office setup, or a powerful media center, the ACEMAGIC K1 proves that small computers can deliver big results.